Open, Daddy.
Here.
Let's put them here so they can see you do opening your gifts.
I need to see his face. His reaction.
Wait.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Open. That's a small boy.
I guess right. It's almost as big as you. Oh, it's a small boy.
Oh! Oh.
Be careful. Hi, Julian.
Mama.
Put it back. Put back the hat. Put it back here.
Well, give the small boy a hug. You want to carry the small boy?
Shall we?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait.